Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create custom RGB profile on your CORSAIR M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and go to the lighting effects right here. We are on the home page. On the iCUE, you have lighting effects here, or if you just click on a mouse, you will still open them. Here, what we're going to do is we have the lighting layers, and this is our some kind of profile. As you guys can see, I can just delete it. Now the RGB is gone, and we have an option to just create something new. So we can make some colors alternating, for example red and let's put black here. Also, as a background color, we're simply gonna do black again, and now we see that it's just red pulsing out. But once I change it to white, this is how it looks like. Also, here we have quick lighting zone, so we can put it on the scroll, and now we can create a new one. Watercolor is only working for the scroll, and here we have new lighting. I'm gonna use the lighting link, and I'm gonna go with color wave. As you guys can see, I'm gonna select it only for the logo, and here we have it. So we can change the speed, also change the direction. Here we can put some cyan and green for an example, so that we know that there are two different profiles. Now we're gonna click another plus, and what are we gonna do is we're gonna put rainbow here, and of course we're gonna put it to all. As you guys can see, now there's only rainbow. We can speed it up, and you can create two different profiles here for the scroll and for the logo, or you can just create one big profile for everything. But as you guys can see, sometimes the other color is here, and you may be wondering why is that happening, because we set it up to quick lighting zone to logo. Now it will change the color everywhere. So if you just wanted to make more colors alternating, you can make it like this. Here I'll put it only on the logo and only on the scroll. Now this is how it looks like. And what you guys want to do next is simply make sure that you save it. So this is our profile right here. And if we want to save it, we're gonna press three dots, save to library, and now we got it right here. So as you guys can see, if I delete it from here, it will still be here. I will be able to just drag it out, and I can do it however many times I want. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.